Hey everyone, it's your girl Rink Chick. Thanks for tuning in today. This is what my coffee table looks like on a daily basis. This is everyday look, but I'm used to setting up my coffee table for Easter, so I'm not going to change anything because of this pandemic. I'm going to go on and decorate my coffee table. So if you're interested, I'm going to have three different concepts. I'm just going to swap out the center portion, and I think I'm going to keep almost everything the same, but it will make a big difference. So if you're interested in seeing how I'm going to decorate my coffee table for Easter, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is my final look. I think I'm going to go with this one. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I want to thank you for your support. I appreciate your subscribing to my channel. And any new people, I welcome you to like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. All right, thank you guys so much, and let's keep rolling. Bye.